How to create a Crunchyroll account. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to create a Crunchyroll account, you can follow the steps. So head over to crunchyroll.com and from here you should be finding this page. You can continue with the terms and conditions, otherwise at the top you should be finding a sign-in page. So if you're creating an account, click on the very first option and it will lead you to this interface. So all you gotta do is enter up an email address and a password. Create up a password for yourself and simply click on this create account option and your account should be created. All you gotta do is just follow the on-screen prompts provided by Crunchyroll. And that is it. So that is how you basically create an account on Crunchyroll very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.